Hey everyone, if you are seeing the E11 error on your washing machine, don't panic. In this video, I will show you a quick and simple fix that will have your washing machine running again in no time. So let's get started. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if this helped in a way. So, what is this error E11? The error E11 usually means there is a drainage problem, often caused by a blockage. Luckily, you don't need a technician for this. It is super easy fix that you can do by yourself. So I'll be taking you through step by step on how to fix this. So step 1, turn off the washing machine. First, make sure the washing machine is completely turned off and unplugged for safety reasons. Step 2, locate the cover panel. Find the cover house. This is usually at the bottom front of your washing machine. Step 3, open the cover and remove any sort of blockage. Carefully open the panel. You will see a drain filter or a small hose depending on the type of washing machine you are using. You'll find a small hose inside or a drain filter. If there is any dirt or something blocking it, you have to make sure you remove it. Like as you can see in my washing machine here, I have dirt, coins, and some other things that caused the E11 error, and that's why the washing machine stopped running. So step 4, drain the excess water. Some water might spill out, so have a towel or a small container ready to catch it. Let all the water drain out completely. Then step 5, close everything and restart your washing machine. Once it is clear, close the panel properly and restart your washing machine. It should now run smoothly without E11 error, and your washing machine should work perfectly fine. So that is how to fix the error 11, and error 11 will be gone. If this helped you, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick home fix. Thank you for watching, and if you get any other washing machine issues, drop them in the comment. I will help you out. See you in the next video. Thank you.